If you want to make a beautiful first impression this season, Easter front porch decor is one of the most powerful and meaningful ways to do it. Your front porch is the first thing guests, neighbors, and even you see when arriving home. It sets the tone, tells a story, and during Easter, it becomes an opportunity to celebrate renewal, joy, light, and fresh beginnings in a way that feels warm and welcoming. Decorating your porch for Easter is important because it transitions your home out of winter and into spring. After months of colder weather and heavier decor, your entrance deserves softness, color, and life again. Easter decor naturally brings in pastel tones, fresh greenery, florals, and playful elements that instantly lift the mood. When someone walks up to your home and sees a thoughtfully styled porch, they feel invited before the door even opens. One of the biggest benefits of Easter front porch decor is the emotional atmosphere it creates. Soft pinks, gentle blues, creamy whites, fresh greens, and touches of yellow symbolize hope and new beginnings. Even simple additions like a wreath with spring flowers or a pair of lanterns filled with decorative eggs can make your home feel cheerful and refreshed. And the beauty of Easter decor is that it does not have to be extravagant to feel impactful. It is more about intention and harmony than about quantity. Start with your front door as the focal point. A wreath is almost essential for Easter styling. You can choose a wreath made of eucalyptus and pastel florals for a soft, elegant look, or something more playful with small faux eggs and delicate ribbons. If you prefer a modern style, keep the color palette neutral with white flowers, greenery, and subtle touches of blush. If your home leans more farmhouse, consider adding a wreath with natural textures like grapevine, burlap bows, and small wooden bunny accents. Speaking of bunnies, incorporating subtle Easter symbols can add charm without overwhelming the space. Instead of large, flashy decorations, try using a pair of ceramic or wooden bunny figures placed symmetrically near the door. Balance is key. If you place decor on one side, anchor the other side with something of similar visual weight, such as a potted plant or a lantern. Layering is another important design principle for your porch. Think in terms of height variation. Combine tall planters with medium-height lanterns and smaller decorative elements. For example, place tall planters with spring flowers like tulips, daffodils, or hydrangeas on each side of the door. In front of them, add lanterns with candles or string lights. Then, near the base, you can incorporate baskets filled with decorative eggs or greenery. This layered look creates depth and makes your porch feel styled rather than randomly decorated. Florals are absolutely essential for Easter decor. Nothing communicates spring like fresh or high-quality faux flowers. You can fill large pots with pastel blooms, or create a mixed arrangement that combines greenery with pops of color. If you want a more natural and organic look, stick to whites and greens with just a hint of soft color. If you love a playful and joyful atmosphere, embrace a full pastel palette. The key is to repeat your chosen colors in different areas so the porch feels cohesive. For those of you who enjoy a more minimalist aesthetic, Easter decor can still align with your style. Choose a restrained color palette, focus on greenery, and incorporate only one or two symbolic elements. A simple wreath, a pair of symmetrical planters, and a clean welcome mat can feel elegant and modern while still embracing the season. If you love farmhouse style, you can lean into natural textures. Think woven baskets filled with faux grass and eggs, wooden crates stacked with potted plants, and galvanized metal planters. Add soft ribbon bows and muted pastel shades to bring in that Easter touch without overpowering the rustic charm. Another advantage of decorating your porch for Easter is the opportunity to refresh your entire exterior space. As you decorate, you may notice areas that need cleaning, repainting, or rearranging. Seasonal decor motivates you to tidy up, sweep, refresh plants, and create a welcoming entrance overall. It becomes not just about decoration, but about care and presentation. And something else that makes Easter front porch decor so powerful is how it connects your interior style with the outside world. Many people focus so much on decorating their living rooms, kitchens, and dining areas for the season, but they forget that the porch is the transition space. When your exterior reflects the same freshness and softness as your interior, your entire home feels cohesive, feels intentional, feels complete. Think about how beautiful it is when someone drives by and sees a thoughtfully styled porch filled with spring blooms, soft pastel accents, and warm lighting. It creates curb appeal instantly. Even if you are not planning to sell your home, Curb appeal affects how you feel about your own space. Coming home to a decorated porch after a long day can genuinely lift your mood. It signals comfort and care. Another advantage is versatility. Easter decor naturally blends with general spring decor, which means you can keep many of the elements in place even after the holiday passes. If you avoid overly specific signage and focus on florals, greenery, neutral bunnies, and soft colors, your porch will transition effortlessly into late spring. This makes your investment in decor more practical and long-lasting. If your porch is small, do not worry. You can still create something beautiful. Focus on vertical space. A door wreath, a slim planter, and a layered doormat can completely transform even the tiniest entryway. Keeping the decor streamlined prevents the area from feeling crowded. Simplicity can be incredibly elegant. Texture is another secret to creating depth. Combine smooth ceramic pieces with woven baskets. Mix soft florals with rough wood elements. Add a touch of metal with lanterns or small accents. When different textures interact, the space feels richer and more thoughtfully designed. You can also play with symmetry or asymmetry depending on your style. A symmetrical setup with matching planters and identical lanterns on both sides of the door feels classic and refined. An asymmetrical arrangement with varied heights and layered pieces feels more relaxed and organic. Neither is right or wrong. It depends on the mood you want to create. Personalization makes everything more meaningful. Maybe you add a family initial to your wreath. Maybe you choose flowers in your favorite color. Maybe you incorporate a vintage piece that has sentimental value. When decor tells a story, it feels special rather than generic. And do not underestimate scent and sound if your porch allows it. Real flowers bring subtle fragrance. Wind chimes with a soft tone can add a peaceful atmosphere. Even the gentle flicker of candlelight contributes to the sensory experience. Easter decor is not only visual, it can be immersive. For those who enjoy DIY projects, Easter porch decor offers endless creative possibilities. You can create your own wreath using faux florals and greenery. You can paint terracotta pots in pastel tones. You can fill glass jars with decorative eggs and fairy lights. Handmade elements add uniqueness and often cost less than store-bought displays. Ultimately, Easter front porch decor is about creating an experience. It is about stepping into a new season with intention. It reflects hospitality, warmth, and celebration. When you decorate your porch, you are not just placing objects outside. You are expressing joy, hope, and renewal. You are transforming a simple entrance into a beautiful seasonal statement. So as you plan your Easter decor, focus on balance, layering, cohesive colors, and meaningful details. Whether you choose a minimalist look or a playful, colorful display, make sure it reflects your personal style. Because at the end of the day, the most beautiful porch is one that feels authentic to you and welcoming to everyone who steps up to your door.